When the robot went down, we had to hire several members of staff just to keep up with our workload. Having the robot back greatly reduces the physical stress on our members of staff. It allows the technicians to focus on other areas of patient care process here at St. Michael's, much better and a better experience for all our patients.
For the new robot, MIRA, there's a few features that helps with patient safety. So one of the first things is that an automated machine will allow us to package and dispense unit dose medications. And this basically enables us to prevent any kind of manual picking from happening. From an error standpoint, it helps prevent any kind of errors happening with look-alike or sound-alike medications, where the robot actually captures those kind of errors preemptively. So the medications are packaged together on a ring, so it helps facilitate easier medication administration on the nursing end, so that they don't have to go around hunting for meds inside a bin. It's all kind of nicely put together on a ring for them.